This is Maker Nation, a show that takes a peek behind the curtain of real makers.
Oh my God. This is your craft room. Look at this place, Missy. This is incredible. This is your craft space.
This is it. And I'm Jane Klaus, a fellow maker. Looking for vibrant, creative people who want to share their passion to create.
My wife doesn't know what's back here.
I do now.
I get a rush out of it. It's like junk endorphins.
I'm going to cut head off of a Barbie and we're going to make a beautiful necklace.
There are millions of makers across the country. And whether they're painting, woodworking, glass blowing, or sewing, they all have an innate need to create.
As a maker, I like the feeling it gives me to create things. It's the process of making a pot.
Oh, yes!
Maker Nation is a fun, fast-paced, engaging show that dives into the creative life of a maker.
Well, am I going to get sawdust in my hair?
Yeah, you are. There's absolutely no doubt about it.
What? I can't hear a thing you're saying, but let's get started.
The make-it-yourself lifestyle is bigger than ever these days. So I'm popping into the workspaces of creative makers all over the country.
I call myself the crazy wine bottle lady. I'm almost ashamed to say I have thousands of bottles and turn them into cheese trays and breadboards and appetizer plates.
Look at that!
We emptied another bottle.
I mean, you emptied a bottle. I emptied like 3 bottles. I don't know.
The makers movement is sweeping the nation, and I'm knocking down doors to get in.
Hi, Jane.
And make something. So join me on Maker Nation. I promise I'll bring you cookies. I know you like cookies.